In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Roblox Studio with friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this on any pre-existing game or place that you have made, or you can start a new one with friends. Just make sure you are running the latest version available of Roblox and open up any game or new game that you want to play with friends. Usually, you don't have this Team Create tab enabled, so select View from the top of the screen and then click on Team Create. What you have to do here is select Save to Roblox on the new game you've just made or the ones previously made, and in here, make sure Team Create is enabled. The rest of the options don't matter and you can just choose them to your own liking. Just make sure to save the game and enable Team Create. After you do this, the Team Create tab will allow you to turn on and start inviting the friends to work on this creation together. After the map loads up again, the first step is to select File and then go into the Game Settings. In here, go into the Permissions tab and make sure that who can play this game is set to Public or Friends. Save the changes and now just select Collaborate from the top right corner of your screen. In here, you can type the name of the user or friend that you want to add and they can participate in this Roblox Studio Create. You can also give them permissions like play only, edit, etc. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Roblox Studio with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.